Hello everyone. Today is December 1st and I start a screencast series called Coding Advent Calendar. During December I'm going to solve problem of a day on LeetCode. LeetCode is a platform where you can practice solving algorithmic problems and through this process become a better software engineer. I will solve problems using C# programming language, but you can use any programming language you know. So let's get started. Today's problem looks like this. You're given a string S of even length. Split a string into two halves of equal lengths. Let A be the first half and B the second half. Two strings are alike if they have the same number of vowels, like this. Notice that S contains uppercase and lowercase letters. Return true if A and B are alike, otherwise return false. And some examples. For example, input is book and we need to return true because A is BO and B is OK. So each substring has one vowel. Therefore they are alike. In this case, textbook, we need to return false because first part is text and second part is book. First part contains one vowel and second part contains two. Therefore they are not alike, so we need to return false. And constraints. String can be from lengths from 2 up to 1000 and length is even in any case, and it contains uppercase and lowercase letters. And we need to solve this problem. Actually, this problem is very simple to solve. To be honest, it's very complicated to solve this problem wrong. So, what do we actually need to do? I would like to use a hash table in order to set a list of vowels, and that will help me to check if particular vowel exists in a string, and I will be able to do this very quickly. Then I will read this string letter by letter and I will count the number of vowels. I will also trace the position of current letter, so I will know if I am in the first substring or in a second one. So the solution should look like this. I will copy this list. I will create two variables like A vowel count 0, B vowel count 0. And then I need to go through the list of characters which are our string. And I need to also trace if I'm in the first part, in the first half, or in the second one. In this case, if it's the first part, I will add conditional 1 into first variable, into first counter. If I'm in a second part, I will conditionally add 1 into a second variable. And that's it. Only thing I need to do is to check if these counters are the same value. So let's do a quick check. Imagine I have input value book. That is 4 letters, right? I will go through this here. E should be from 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here S will be 0, 1, and 2 and 3. So here should come B and O, and here should come O and K. O is a vowel, so I should get 1 from here and 1 from here, 1 equal to 1, and I will return true. I will get true. In this case, I will have 8 letters here, 4 for first part, 4 for last part. I will get 1 here and 2 here, and since they are not equal, I will get false. Let's check. Okay, this is a book. This is a textbook. Okay, looks like it works. I will do some custom testing, like AA, BB. Okay, and like this. Also works. So I'm ready to submit my solution. And success. My solution is accepted. Let's do a quick estimate of our solution. During my solution, I create one hash set of a fixed size, and I do one loop through input string. So from memory perspective, the solution is big O of 1, so it's fixed memory size, and from CPU perspective it's big O of n, so it's linear time solution. Actually, if you use a different set of vowels, for example, if you store them not in a hash set but in a list, and you will scan entire list every time, the time complexity will not change because you have a fixed size of list of vowels, so it doesn't matter if you use list or array or hash set. But for this kind of questions you should prefer to use a hash set, because you can scan it, you can check if an entity is in this set independently of how big is this list. So I offer you to go to LeetCode and try to solve the next problem of a day, and tomorrow I will solve it as well, and I will record another video so you can compare your and mine solutions, and probably your solution will be better. So go on and try. Bye, till tomorrow.